Welcome to the Multimedia Impact Briefing for Central Alabama. This briefing will continue to focus on the potential for severe storms Monday afternoon into Monday night. Well, it still looks like we could see 2 rounds of showers and storms across Central Alabama Monday into Monday night. Each round or wave will bring different threats to the area. With that said, let's start with Monday morning. The first round of showers and storms will move into West Alabama during the early morning hours. Even though there isn't much instability for this portion of the system to work with, we could still see some stronger storms with winds up to 50 miles per hour and locally heavy rainfall. In this image, we have tried to give you our best estimate for the onset of showers and storms as they move from west to east. Please keep in mind, however, that changes to these times are likely. Several uncertainties remain, such as whether there will actually be 2 completely separate rounds or one prolonged event. And 2, how will the morning storms affect the atmosphere prior to the next round? Models continue to show a second and potentially stronger round of showers and storms moving in from the west ahead of a cold front sometime Monday afternoon. Now, if the atmosphere can recover from the morning storms, then there could be a threat for some severe storms across all of central Alabama as the storms move from west to east, beginning Monday afternoon and continuing into the nighttime hours. The main threats will be discussed here in just a moment. But first, let's take a look at the approximate timing of the severe threat. Based on the latest guidance, the overall timing hasn't really changed since yesterday. The storms could enter the west as early as 3 to 4 p.m. and exit the east as late as 4 to 5 a.m. As always, these times are approximate and are subject to change as we get closer to the event. The severe threat will come to an end as the front passes through. Now we'll move on to the severe threats. At this time, damaging winds and potential flooding due to heavy rainfall could be the main threats with this system. Hail could also be possible, and a brief isolated tornado cannot be completely ruled out. Forecast rainfall totals for Monday morning through Tuesday morning are generally in the 1 to 3 inch range for the entire forecast area. Although widespread flash flooding is not expected at this time, some localized flooding problems could arise. Also, some rivers are still in flood or just below flood stage, so additional rises along these rivers and streams is definitely possible. We will continue to monitor forecast rainfall totals closely for the potential for an increased flood threat. Okay, just to do a quick recap, we could see 2 rounds of showers and storms on Monday into Monday night. The first one will come Monday morning when some strong storms are possible with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and locally heavy rainfall. The second round moves in Monday afternoon and pushes east through the night. Some severe storms will be possible with damaging winds, flooding, hail, and a brief isolated tornado all possible. Keep in mind that there are still several uncertainties with the overall evolution of this particular system and therefore the severe potential as well. So be sure to stay up to date on the latest forecast and potential impacts for Monday as the details could change. For those of you who are interested in the latest river stages and forecast, please go to our homepage and click on Rivers Lakes in the left-hand menu. From there, you'll see a map of the area, so just simply click on any of the river forecast points that you see displayed on the map. This will display a graph for that particular location that includes past and present stages, as well as the forecast stages. And these forecasts are updated at least a couple times per day. Thanks for viewing. Please remember to check the Graphicast on our homepage for the latest information as we approach Monday. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 205-664-3010.